Hi, I'm Kelsey with the AAA Beauty Bundle, and I'm going to show you what's in your January box. This month features Well People. Well People delivers clean, plant-powered ingredients and formulas that improve your skin's long-term health. Their hydrating products are ethically sourced, made from renewable botanicals, dermatologist approved, and multitasking. Stay tuned while I show you all the products featured. First up, you'll be getting the Juice Cleanse Soothing Aloe Face Cleanser. This gel-based cleanser gently cleanses, soothes, and hydrates your skin. It's ideal for daily use to remove excess dirt, oil, and impurities, and it softens and soothes the skin. I love how lightweight it feels, and you can definitely tell these are clean ingredients. Next up, we have the Plant Powder Foliant Renewing Charcoal Exfoliating Powder. This gentle powder-based exfoliant activates with water to brighten, soften, and renew skin. Great for all skin types, improves texture and softness, and is infused with plant-based ingredients like green tea, charcoal, and kaolin clay. After I used it, my skin felt so smooth. I love this product. I love how clean it feels and how nice my skin feels after. Next, you'll be getting the Revitalizing Dew Snow Mushroom Eye Gel Cream. This gel-based eye cream moisturizes the eye area and targets fine lines for brighter, more radiant skin. This is infused with plant-based ingredients like aloe vera, broccoli seed oil, snow mushroom, and niacinamide. I love how instantly this eye gel did not burn under my eyes. It felt so soothing, so soft. I had no immediate negative reactions to this, which I loved. I can't wait to use this every single night and see the brightness under my eyes. Next up is the Supernatural Stick Multi-Use Blush in color Rose. It's creamy, hydrating, and a blush stick for that perfect pop of color. It's multi-use, so you can use it on your cheeks and your lips. Enriched with plant-based ingredients like jojoba oil, sunflower seed oil, and green tea. I love how easy it is to apply. It blends seamlessly, and I love the shade. It seems super neutral and would work on any skin tone. I love this next product. This is the Loose Superpowder Brightening Powder. It's ultra fine, talc free, and translucent. This powder smooths your skin, sets makeup, blurs fine lines, and provides radiance. Use it to set your makeup and reduce shine without ever looking cakey. It has ingredients like organic green tea that benefit the skin. I love how light this powder goes onto the face and how it does smooth out my skin and set my makeup so I can be sure that I'm not gonna look shiny for the rest of the day. Last but not least is the Lip Nurture Hydrating Balm in Spice. This hydrating lip balm makes your lips look and feel hydrated and supple. A tinted lip balm that delivers a subtle wash of fresh color. It's enriched with castor seed oil, shea butter, and coconut oil. I love the shade of this lip gloss. It's so universal. It would look great on every single skin tone. I also love how hydrating it feels when you put it on. It's different than a lip gloss, a chapstick. It kind of meets in the middle and it feels so soothing on my lips. To get this bundle valued at over $100 for $38 a month, visit AIABeautyBundle.com. Thanks for watching.